Today's positive news story comes out of Hendersonville, Tennessee, and a 4-year-old special girl that has at least two special things about her. One is her generosity, and two, she was diagnosed with autism and really had difficulty communicating. One of the things that really helped her and settled her down was her massive collection of stuffed animals. They were very, very important to her. And when the hurricanes hit, Hurricane Helene in East Tennessee and western North Carolina hit, she began to have some feelings about thinking about these other kids that lost what she called their stuffies. So she took and presented 30 of her stuffed animals for donation. And I think her mother posted something about it on Facebook, and the whole thing took off like wildfire. And she has now collected more than 1,000 stuffed animals for children affected by the hurricane. Her father, Alex, shared how her daughter's stuffed animals provide her with peace during difficult days. He said, "That's what always calms her down. When she's having a challenging day, her stuffed animals are what keep her going." She said all her friends out there had lost their stuffies, and she wanted to help them get some more. Like I said, she began by donating 30 of her own toys, and neighbors, friends, even local businesses got in on the act. Donations came pouring in from near and far. Some donors even traveled amazingly long distances to drop off stuffed animals at collection points. Henley was diagnosed with autism a couple of years ago. Her mother said, a few years back she struggled to communicate. Now, seeing her lead this effort, it's nothing short of joyful. Another good one. I'll see you on another one tomorrow.